and loving the box on this. Just first and foremost, it's completely recyclable. There is the website name if you want to check them out in advance. It's www.evese.london. And yeah, it also came in a combustible bag, which I've never seen or received a brand send me something in a combustible bag. So props to them for being 100% recyclable. But let's open up this little package and see what's inside. So the first thing that we get when we open this package up is an Evese London face flannel or face cloth. It's a cotton one, obviously. And we can never be without too many of these. I find that they get ruined so easily. So thank you for sending this as a little bonus extra. It will definitely be handy when removing one of the products that's inside. And then we have a little thank you for shopping with Evese London, little gift card moment. And it says, let's get social. So yeah, that's the gift card. The packaging, everything is very much on brand when it comes to this. They've got their own custom printed tissue paper, if you can see, with Evese London over it. And then we get to the goodies. So we've got the Serum mud mask, the Hydrosphere, which is a firming and hydrating serum. And then we have the iTone Radiance Age Reversal, which is a moisturizer. So I'm going to go through these. So the first product from Evese I'm going to be speaking about is the Serum Mud Mask, which is an ultimate deep skin cleansing rejuvenating mask. This is what the product looks like. It doesn't have glitter in it, guys. It is just the reflection of the glitter on the table, but it's designed to fight pimples, blackheads and fade acne scars, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles whilst diminishing cellulite, minimize, not maximize, pore size and improve overall complexion. It does retail for £35 and you do get a massive 250 grams worth of product. So I definitely think that is well worth it, because good skincare doesn't come cheap and this product does contain a lot inside. So that is actually really cost effective. 250 grams for £35. What a great deal. So yeah, that is the first product. The next product that we've kindly been sent over from Evese London is the Hydrosphere Firming and Hydrating Serum Orbs. Now, this is what the product looks like. It has a pump dispensary application. Loving the little orbs in this. It's so aesthetically pleasing. The packaging on this is so luxury. It's absolutely amazing. It retails for £38 and as I said, you get 30 mils of products, and it's designed to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, retain moisture, brighten dull complexion, repair sun damage and improved elasticity. Now, the directions for this are: after a deep facial cleansing in the morning and evening, apply a preferred amount and gently massage into the skin until absorbed. As it says, its functions are to activate skin renewal from sun damage, to promote reversal and collagen for a brighter effect. So genuinely cannot wait to give this a try. I think it's definitely something every skincare lover needs in their little collection. And the final product today that we've got to speak about from Evese London is this iTone Radiance Age Reverse Nourishing Anti-Age Moisturizer. It's 30 grams in product and retails for £49. This is what the component looks like. It's got a glass bottom and plastic top lid, and it's designed to diminish the signs of aging, even skin tone by correcting blemishes, brighten complexion and improved elasticity. So everything that we do need in a good anti-aging moisturizer. The directions are to apply a preferred amount of moisturizer to the face and neck, evenly and gently massage until absorbed, and it complements the Evese toner. The functions are to diminish signs of aging and even skin tone by fading blemishes and leaving skin with a soft and smooth glow. So yeah, genuinely can't wait to try this product out as well alongside the Hydrosphere. I will keep you guys obviously posted with how they perform, but thank you very much for sending this over. So again, a massive thank you to Evese London for sending these products over for me to try out. If you guys do want to try any of these products, I'll leave their name on the story for you so that you can go and check them out and make a few purchases. But yeah, thank you very, very, very much for sending these over. I'm very grateful and cannot wait to try every single one of these products. And this is going to come in so much handy when removing the mud mask. So yeah, thank you very much for sending these over, guys.